Hello students, warm welcome to all of you. In this module we are going to discuss few set of problems which were frequently given in previous board examinations, carries 3 marks. They are long answer type questions. So without wasting time, let's go to the problems to solve. Right? Coming to the first problem here. Find the HCF and LCM of 90 and 144 by the method of factorization. So by the method of factorization means what? You will have to split 90 into factors as well as 144 into factors, and then you will have to find what is the HCF as well as what is the LCM of the numbers. So coming to the first number is 90 and I am factorizing this 90 into prime factors. I am going by factor tree method. Okay. So 90 can be written as 2 times 45 is equal to 90. Correct? Again, this 45 is divisible by 3. 3 how much are 45? 3 15s are 45. Again, 15 is also divisible by 3. That is going to be 3 times 5 is equal to 15. So totally the factors of 90 are 2, 45, 3, 15, 3, 5. Right? So all of them are factors, but we need only prime factors. So that is why I am going to write this 90 as 90 is equal to 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. Got it? If you want to check whether your answer is right or wrong, you just multiply them. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 5s are 90. Got it? Now, moving on to the next number, that is 144. So 144 can be factorized again by factor tree method. They are first 2 into how much is equal to 144. 2 7s are 14 and 2 2s are 4. Again 72 can be factorized. 2 times 3 is equal to 6 and then 12, 2 6 are 12. And then 36, that is 2 18s are 36. Got it? And 18 can be written as 2 into 9 is equal to 18 and 9 can be written as 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Therefore, what are the factors of 144? 144 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So first 2 into 2 into 1 more 2 into 1 more 2 into 3 into 3. So these are the prime factors of 144 and these are the prime factors 2, 3, 3, 5 are the prime factors of 144. Right? Now going to find what is HCF of these numbers. So I am going to figure out what is HCF of these two numbers. HCF is going to be, now I have these two numbers with factors, so that I am trying to figure out the common factors. Okay, see, I have 1 2 here, so I have 1 2. Can I write 1 2 as the common factor? Yes. Next, you have 3 here and you have 3 here also, so 2 into 3, right? And I have one more 3 here and one more 3 here also, so that into 3 is one more factor. Is there 5 is the factor of 90, but 5 is not the factor of 144. So therefore the highest common factor of these two numbers is going to be 2 into 3 is equal to 6 3s are 18. So 18 would be the highest common factor of 90 and 144. Got it? And what is the LCM of these two numbers? So LCM of these two numbers is going to be HCF into the other factors of both 90 as well as 144. So the remaining factor is 5 here, and here the remaining factors are 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Got it? So now HCF is equal to 18 into 5 8s are 40. So that 18 into 40 is equal to 18 4s are 72 and then one more 0, that is 720. This is the way of finding HCF as well as LCM of the given two numbers by prime factorization method. See, be very careful with the marking scheme. Every single step carries marks. Hope you understand. Right. Let's move on to the next problem. So here the next problem is going to be, right, explain why 7 into 13 into 11 plus 11 and 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 plus 3 are composite numbers. So when a number is said to be composite number, when a number is said to be a composite number. See, composite numbers are the numbers which has at least three factors. Which has at least three factors. So the composite number starts from 4. Composite number starts from 4, and by factorizing the number we can say easily whether the number is composite number or not. After identifying them, the number of factors should be more than or equal to 3. Should be more than or equal to 3. That is just by factorization. But sometimes it is not easier to factorize bigger numbers, like, see, these are bigger numbers. So factorization in the sense you will have to multiply everything and you will have to simplify, and then you will get a number. After getting that number, then you will have to start factorizing. That is much difficult method in order to find the factors. But to check whether the given number is a composite number or not, we have one simple technique. That simple technique is, suppose if there is any number ends with the digit 0. Any number ends with the digit 0. What do you mean by that number? Obviously an even number. So every even number has 2 as its factor. So for this number, 2 is the factor and 1 is already one factor, and that number is already the factor. So it means the number is being an even number, it has at least 3 factors. So if the last digit is 0 or last digit is any even number, then we can conclude that number is a composite number. If the last digit is odd number, then we cannot say except for 5. Suppose if I have a number ends with the digit 5, then we can say that this number is absolutely divisible by 5. So we can write this number as 5 into something. That something is a number, then 5 is a number, 1 is a number, and that entire number is the factor to itself. So now, since it is a number being its last digit is 5, it has a minimum of 4 factors. So then in that case also we can say that the number is a composite number. Hope you understand. When a number is a composite number without actually finding the factors. If the number ends with the digit 0, otherwise any even number, then we can conclude that the number is a composite number. And second thing, if the number ends with the digit 5, then also we can say that the number is a composite number. So in these two cases, we can say easily whether the number is composite number or not. Got my point? Coming to the problem here, the first number is, so what is the first number here? 7 into 13 into 11 plus 11. Be very careful, plus is there in between. So it means these three numbers product is considered as one number and 11 is one number. If you observe in these two numbers, you can take one 11 common because 11 is the factor of this number and this number. So that I am going to take 11 common, and remaining numbers here are 7 into 13, right? Plus 11, how much are 11? 11 ones are 11. So what does it mean? This number has 1 is already a factor. Now 11 into, so 11 is also a factor, and this entire number inside the bracket. I am not going to simplify that. Okay, so 7 into 13 plus 1. This is also one more number. I don't know whether it has factors or not. I don't want it, because to decide whether the number is a composite number or not, it has minimum of 3 factors. See, 1 is one factor, 11 is one factor, 7 into 13 plus 1 is one more factor. So that the given number has at least 3 factors. Therefore, the given number is a composite number. The given number is a composite number. Hope you understand. Moving on to the second bit. What is that second bit given here? That is 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 3. This one also same as like that. Okay, so you will have to treat this entire thing, entire product as one number, and 3 is one more number. If you observe, 3 is here and 3 is here, so I am taking 3 common. Remaining numbers are 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 2 into 1 plus already taken 3 common, so that 1 is the number. It has how many factors? 1 is one factor, 3 is one factor, and the entire number 7 into 6 into 5 into and so on into 1 plus 1 is also one more factor. So this number has minimum of 3 factors. Therefore, the given number is a composite number. Given number is a composite number. Hope you understand how to check whether it is a composite number or not, right? Okay, fine. See, these kind of problems can be answered easily, but use your brain and go by the definition. So that's why the definition is more powerful, right? Moving on to the next problem. Here the next problem is complete the following factor tree and find the composite number x. See here, the factor tree was already given. So the one that you will have to find out the value of x as well as the value of y. So x is over here and y is over here. According to the factor tree, you will have to start from the bottom. Hope you understand. Start from the bottom. See, when you multiply these two numbers, then you will get 371. So because 371 further factorized into two factors. What are those two factors? One is 7 and the other one is x. So in order to find the value of x, you will have to multiply both of them and whose product is equal to 371, right? So 371 is equal to 7 into x. Therefore, the value of x is going to be 371 divided by 7. Got it? Now just try to simplify. 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. Okay, 35, and then 7 minus 5 equal to 2 1 21, 7 3s are 21. So therefore the value of x is going to be 53. That implies the value of x is equal to 53. Right. Now what is the next number after getting the value of x? It is 53. Now we know 5 into 37, 371 is equal to 1855. 1855 into 3 is equal to y, right? So there again y is divided into two factors. What are those two factors? 3 and what is other number? 1855. Okay, 3 and 1855. So according to this, y is factorized into two factors. They are 3 and 1855. Therefore, we can say that y is equal to 1855 multiplied by 3. As simple as that. So 3 5s are 15, 5 1, 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16, 6 1, 3 8s are 24 plus 1 25, 5 2, 3 1s 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So 5565 is the value of y. So that implies the value of y is equal to 5565. Okay. After getting the values of x and y, now you are going to find out the value of this x. So this may be z. Okay, whatever it is. So let it be z, because in the problem given itself it is looking z. So I am writing z here. Fine. So how to answer these problems? These problems are pretty much easier. So you please understand about the importance of factor tree. So it would be easier for you to get the value. Right? I'm going to figure out the value of x. So here after getting the value of y, x is factorized in 2 and y. So that here x is factorized as 2 into y. Okay. So it means x is equal to 2 into y, 2y. So 2 into y, just now we got it as 5565. Therefore, the value of x is going to be 2 5s are 10, 0, 1, 2 6 are 12 plus 1 13, 3 1, 2 5s 10 equal, 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11, 1 1, 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11, 1 1, 1 3 0 is the value of x. So This way, we can easily answer problems given in 3 marks. Most probably, these kind of problems were given in board examination. So that's why going with few number of problems, because 3 markers and 5 markers are pretty much the same. So if you can answer 5 marker problems, then you can easily answer these 3 marks problems. Hope you understand. Enjoy the class. Thank you.